Hello, it's me, Crazy Rebecca Dances with Pitbulls. Hey, I got a really brief video. I'm a little bit behind because work, personal stuff. I ain't got no time to do these videos. I'm so tired when I get home. My weekends have been full. I gotta deal with Barb and Elijah. It's just, I'm not complaining, I'm explaining why I haven't been around. So I thought, well, let's just do this. Let's just do it, man. So I have this pin. I need to wear it to the office party. It's missing a stone here and here. Now, people probably wouldn't even notice that, but I actually came across some crystals. You'll see that in another video at another time. And I have the E6000, everybody's favorite jeweler's glue. I'm going to put that in there. And in there. And when you finally see the video about these, where these things came from, you'll go, oh yeah, she put those in a pin. Aren't they pretty? Aren't they pretty? Pretty, I say. And they're huge. But care not I do. Just need some filler, man. So yeah. So I'm going to let that dry. Let that dry. And I'm going to show off something that somebody gave me, but I have been sworn to secrecy as to where they came from. Ta-da! Oh my gosh, I'm rich. Check these out. Look at the cool key ring on this one. I'm gonna dig through and get this kind first. This one says preparatory. It's broke, but yeah. He's looking for words. Word up, man. Word to your mother. Is that all? That might be all. Okay, so. And then this is a post office. Do not duplicate. Maybe a door key. Do not duplicate. Do not duplicate. Do not duplicate. These have 119E. These go to FAC, whatever that is. They're 117E. Also, 117E. Why are there so many 117E? I'll never know. 3217. Do not duplicate. Do not duplicate. So, That would be funny on a canvas. Do not duplicate. Do not do. You know, they're like duplicates. Get it? Ha ha. Here's, these look like car keys. Maybe not. Maybe not. That's totally different. So yeah, I'm rich. I'm rich. I'm rich. 1,100 T. Hudson. Do not duplicate. Do not duplicate. Do not duplicate. Yeah, I'm feeling a repetitive type of canvas thing coming on. Without painting over. DR002. HON. Like 365. That could be my mascot for my 365 earring thing. So anyway, I'm rich. I'm rich, I say. Oh, I can't show you that because then you'll know. But there was one that said brown cabinet. Where'd that go? Oh. Brown cabinet. Okay. I'll see you next time. Please come back. I'm going to do something with these dang keys. I'm going to wear my pin today. And maybe you'll get a picture of me in my fancy clothes. But maybe not. But maybe. So I'm going to go get my hair done too. So maybe you will. I don't know. Okay, don't rush me. Don't rush me. I don't know what I'm doing. Bye.